What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I fell off again. I'm not even gonna lie. Life be lifing, and that's all I gotta say about that. I went to the grocery store, got a couple of things, and I'm going to meal prep some dinners and try to get back on track. So this is actually a two-part haul. The first store I went to was BJ's, and I got my bulk items there. I got some chicken legs, as you can see. Then I also picked up some chicken breast. I picked up some dip, some caramel apple dip for my apples. Then I also got 2 bags of extra jumbo raw shrimp. I got some beef stew. I believe that's beef stew or beef cubes or something like that. I got some ground beef. I got, I believe, an 18 count of brown eggs, and they're like the size large. I got a 3-pack of low sodium bacon. I got some sweet peppers. I also got some Cara oranges. These are so good. Then I got these burgers. I had tried them last month and my kids and I really liked them. So then last but not least, I went to TJ's because I wanted to do my meal prep, and I picked up some meal prep containers. These both were $8 a piece. It came up to right around $17 or something like that. So part 2 of the grocery haul is coming from Wegmans, our local grocery store. Comment below and let me know if you guys have Wegmans in your neighborhood or not. And I am starting out with the turkey pastrami I got from the deli, one of my favorites. Then we also got some Swiss cheese from the deli. We got some whole milk mozzarella. We got some string cheese. We got some unsalted butter. We got some pepperonis. And then we got this barbecue sauce, Kinder's. I believe it's like bourbon peach or something. I got some regular honey. I got some mayonnaise. I got some teriyaki sauce. I got some steakhouse marinade. This is so good. And then I got some marinara sauce. Next, I got 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese. My son likes SpongeBob, so I figured why not. Then I got some protein pasta. I got some grapes from the produce section. Some bananas. 2 sweet potatoes. And a bag of russet potatoes. I got some bread, oat nut bread. My mom had recommended it. I got some Cool Whip. And then I got 2 cases of blackberries. Love, love, love blackberries. I got 1 thing of raspberries. Love, love, love raspberries. And I got a big container of strawberries. I'm not that crazy about strawberries, but we got iceberg lettuce for our lettuce wrap burgers, and 1 tomato. And I also got a bag of ginger gold apples, my favorites, okay? So of course I'm going to show you guys the meals that I created with these foods that I brought. I am very proud of myself. As you can see, my broccoli crust pizza looks divine, okay? And then in the corner I made a protein pasta with beef. I have chicken, potatoes, and mixed vegetables. I use sweet potatoes for mine, and I use regular potatoes for the kids. I also made peppers with sausage, rice, and broccoli. And I made a teriyaki shrimp, beef, and chicken with rice and asparagus. And I also cut up some fruit. I really hope that you guys like this video. Give this video a great big thumbs up if you liked it. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Peace.